I've just arrived at YVR. A little problem already. I realized with Vietnam, the visa situation is very complicated compared to other places, and we were supposed to print out our approval letter apparently and bring $25 US cash to pay once we get there. Don't have any of those, so we need to figure that out, but a little excitement at midnight, you know? Got my new suitcase, got my new drone bag, and we're off. Love you. Bye. All right, guys, we're on the move. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys. I think I did, but my friend Melissa is also on the campaign. Her and I went to Hawaii together, so she also doesn't have her visa printed out. At least there's two of us. She's been spotted. People at Ava Air are being lovely and they're helping us print it out. Shout out to them. But the airport's really dead right now. I find when I come for flights that are at like 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning, there's like no other flights really, and so it's kind of nice. It's pretty chill. As you can see, there's like literally nobody in the airport. People are loving the fact that Melissa's vlogging. This is amazing. Look at their faces. Look at their But one of the girls over there watches Melissa's videos apparently. Currently a man named Rex is trying to print off our stuff, but they're having printer problems. At least there's nobody here because we might miss our flight if there was a line. So Rex pulled through. I'm honestly very impressed by Ava Airways. They were gems, but we're boarding our flight right now. We're going to...
This is zone 4, we're zone 5.
Okay, we're not we're not boarding our flight right now. B-roll, all right, and done. Thank you. Melissa and I have made it on the plane. We have a whole row. We are off to Taipei. Who's excited? Can I get it? Hallelujah! We have landed in Taipei, and the Taipei airport is pretty simple. Sometimes you do have to take a train to get to a different terminal. Taipei is actually where you're flying to go to a lot of countries in Southeast Asia like Bangkok or Ho Chi Minh City. They have a lot of connecting flights here, so more often than not, if you're going to Southeast Asia, you'll have to fly through Taipei, and there's often people like standing outside just in the hallway of the terminals directing you to where to go. So I know it's always, when you're traveling for the first time, you get kind of nerve-wracking being like having connecting airports in foreign countries, but it's actually pretty simple. So this is the lady I was talking about that will help you. You can just show her your ticket.
Go inside and here.
Oh yeah, we do have to transfer. Security, so we have to go through another security check.
All transfers, please begin the line.
Currently in the Plaza Premium Lounge. There's a certain credit card that Melissa has actually gets you access to this lounge. Got some breakfast, got some coffee. I'm ready to edit. Everything is charging right now. Made it onto our next flight. One of the flight attendants actually watches my videos, which is really cool, so shout out to her.
I wanna take you out. Show you what I'm all about. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night.
So Melissa and I have landed in Vietnam. Since Melissa and I aren't the prepared travelers that we should be, we're trying to figure out like where to get photos right now and how this whole thing works. There's no one really here to help you. And I'm confused because one says passports, one says landing visa. I'm confused. Somebody help us. Plan B, that's not where we're supposed to go. We're gonna go, I think, just up to the counter and see what happens. Update, we got told to turn around and go back to where the landing visa is, even though we already have a visa. I honestly don't really know. Vietnam's honestly the only place where it's like actually confusing. Most other countries, you just go through a little thing, they grant you 30-day visa on arrival. Whereas even when I was backpacking, they actually made it easier, but when I was backpacking, you had to apply like 2 weeks in advance and it was really complicated. We have made it through customs finally. It was actually a pretty easy process. You just go up to the counter. We didn't even have American cash. They accepted our Canadian cash, which is kind of nice. And then they took a photo of us right there, charged us like $5 each. We just went and got our luggage. We had to get money out of this handy dandy little ATM here. So if I remember correctly, last time I was here, they accept US cash. They actually prefer it because it's stronger than the Vietnamese dong. We just got $1 million dongs out of the ATM, which is around like $40 US. And so we're gonna use that to get to the Sheraton, which we're staying in. I think it's like downtown Saigon. We're gonna get a cab right now. We've also been instructed to take either Vina Son or My Lin cabs. Hello. Also too, I'm like speaking to you guys and giving you tips as we walk. People will always ask you, say, oh, I have a car, I can drive you. It's always gonna be more expensive. Just do the taxis.
So we can put it in GPS.
Can I have you?
How do you feel?
I'm sweaty and my hair is like a puffball.
And always too, when you're in a cab, just like reiterate that it's gonna be a certain amount and just like make sure it's clear and just like make the price known before you go anywhere. Otherwise, I've had so many friends that once you get out, it's like triple the price. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. So Melissa and I are en route to go get massages. We do need to find an ATM because in Southeast Asia, it's honestly a lot easier just to have cash on you because a lot of places won't accept your card or your card won't work. You just run into different issues. Does anybody know where an ATM is? Another fun fact, some places, I think it's like in Bangkok or something like that, you actually can get charged quite a big jaywalking fee I forget where it was. It was somewhere, was it Bali? It was somewhere that I was, and it was like, the fees like crazy if police catch you jaywalking. Okay, we're gonna try this place. So we're here at the massage place for a full body 60-minute massage. It's 340 Vietnamese dong, which is... Good morning, everyone. I currently have toothpaste on my face because I have 2 giant zits that have just come in. It's currently 6 a.m. I ended up going to sleep after the massage yesterday at like 6, 7. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take a nap. Guess who didn't wake up? This girl. I was so jet lagged that I decided to just sleep, but we're gonna make some coffee. Why is there no red light? Excuse me. Just ordered some breakfast. This actually looks so good. So I got an egg white omelet, trying to be healthy. Go Laura. And I got a side of toast as well. I just got ready. We're getting picked up in about an hour and then the fun begins. I'm so excited. I honestly don't really know what to expect. I have like a rough outline of like what the next 3 days are gonna entail. This is my little OOTD. Same jeans as yesterday. This little shirt that I got on the market. And then this shirt is from Princess Polly. Made it on to the nicest minibus I've ever taken in Southeast Asia. As you guys know, I have been to Vietnam before and have backpacked, and we definitely didn't have anything this nice, so I'm very excited. We're headed on a 4-hour ride to the resort. They also stocked us up on some snacks as well. So I got some gummy bears, a little Coca-Cola here, got some water, and also USB port, very important. So guys, I mentioned this bus was nice, but I didn't mention how nice. These chairs actually have a little thing that you can get a massage. They're all massage chairs. All right, Melissa and I have arrived. So the 4-hour trip wasn't too bad. I edited and got some stuff done. I'm actually just gonna go for the towel. Thank you. We're here now. It's a lot more intense of an entrance. Yeah, I didn't actually realize they were renting out the entire resort, so it kind of feels like I'm going on like a reality TV show. Do you know what I mean? I think it's like what this is. I also feel a little afraid. I don't like going like a little bit shady. I just like have literally no idea what to expect, because I think also what we have realized is that it's intentional that they haven't really told us what's going on. All right guys, so I have arrived in my room. I thought I would do a little room tour, but first I was just checking out the swag that they gave us. And we got a pair of Ray-Bans. These are so beautiful. They have these white rims with the gold. They also gave us this JBL speaker, which I'm really excited about because it has a little clip that goes onto like a backpack. And honestly, when traveling, this is gonna get a lot of use. Fanny pack, love me a fanny pack. And oh, it's a bathing suit. I thought it was a tank top. Okay, and on to the room tour. So you walk in, got a nice big bed, and it actually overlooks a pool here. Then what's outside. Melissa, I'm not sure where she is. This is nice. I'm so curious who's in the other rooms. But the guy was saying that apparently the camera crews here have been setting up for weeks. I do know that there is a welcome dinner tonight at 7. I have to go get fitted for some Malibu clothes. And also he said there's massages. So I'd love me some free massages. So I'm gonna go try and hit that up. So I've just arrived in the room. I'm getting fitted for some Malibu outfits. I just got our bikinis. We have a blue one and an orange one. And we just got fitted. They have Malibu branding on them. I'm not sure when we'll be wearing them. But we're gonna go walk around the resort. And I think try and find food or something. I've arrived in Melissa's room. We're gonna go take some photos by the pool and then tan. And then also apparently there's a dance competition tomorrow, but like choreography and stuff starts tonight. I'm so warm, but it's the funniest photo I think I've ever seen in my life of Melissa. I'm dying. I'm absolutely dying.
I'm actually tired.
Okay, so I just put my bathing suit on, trying to get a little bit of sun, but I realized the sun's just not happening. Also guys, this bathing suit does wonders for your boobs. I got it at Target for like $10. There's like some thick padding in there. But we just booked some massages. We're gonna go at 5 o'clock, and then the dinner tonight, the group dinner, we're gonna meet everyone. It's the opening ceremonies as they're calling it. That's at 7. I really just need a tan here. The sun is just not like, where'd you go? Decided to prepare for the game. You know what, man? All right, very short and weak workout is finished. So I'm all ready for the dinner tonight. I just have this little maxi dress on from Forever 21. I made it to the welcome dinner. It's so funny because there's like cameras everywhere, and you'll be like in a group talking, and then a camera will just like come beside your head.
I was like talking, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
They gave us mojito with, I'm assuming Malibu, because that would
yeah,
be
it's Malibu. So does someone want to come up and talk to us, or are we just?
I think you've all been waiting to hear a little bit about what's going to be happening over the next 2 days. In a moment, you're going to be split into 4 teams. Laura, welcome to the stage. Can we welcome Laura to the stage? Orange, yes please. Orange is back on suntan as well. Please. Just.
Right, going all the way around.
Basically, we just got split into teams, and so Melissa and I are split up, but that's okay. And everyone's in tables, and let me introduce you to my team. And we have the orange team.
Okay, we got.
Oh, thank you. So I'm here with my group. Wait, can I get a hello? Anyways, we're gonna learn some choreography right now because we have a dance competition tomorrow. Our group is the Sun Tanners. There we go. I think we're being kind of quiet. Do you not think?
Not gonna happen. No.
I'm going to teach you guys a little bit of movement to get you ready for your big dance party tomorrow.
My battery's dying, so I'm gonna have to cut this vlog off for the night. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow when the games begin.